f of x is equal to 4 to the power r tan 2x to the fifth power, and we have to find f prime of x. That is, we have to find the derivative of this function with respect to x. Okay, before we proceed with the derivative process, we need to be aware of some formulas in derivative. That is, I'm going to find derivative of a function in the form a to the x power. Here a is a constant and x is a variable. So here I find derivative of this one with respect to x. The result is a to the x power times ln a. Okay, then I find the derivative of r tan x. So the derivative of r tan x is 1 over 1 positive, the variable what I have over here, so x squared. So the derivative of r tan x with respect to x is 1 over 1 positive x squared. Okay, here in the given function I have so many stuff because we have 4 the base, and at the exponent we have r tan. Further in r tan we have 2x to the fifth power. So we have to use chain rule to get derivative of this function. So for that, what I'm going to do is first, as in a new variable u, for this r tan 2x to the fifth power, that is, let u is equal to r tan 2x to the fifth power. And again, as in a new variable v for this 2x to the fifth power. So I get v is equal to 2 times x to the fifth power. Okay, now the given stuff, the given function, from the given function we can write as f of x is equal to, so we have 4 to the power of r tan 2x to the fifth power. So instead of this r tan 2x to the fifth power, we can write u. So I get 4 to the uth power. Okay, now we have u is equal to r tan 2x to the fifth power. So u is equal to r tan. Instead of this 2x to the fifth power, I can write v, because v is equal to 2x to the fifth power. And finally, we have v is equal to 2x to the fifth power. Okay, here f is a function of u, and u is a function of v, and v is a function of x. But I need to find the derivative of f of x with respect to x, that is f prime of x. So f prime of x can be written as, okay, so immediately I cannot find the derivative of f of x with respect to x because f is a function of u. So I can find the derivative of f with respect to u. Okay, now u is a function of v, so I can find the derivative of u with respect to v. Okay, now v is a function of x, so I can find the derivative of v with respect to x. Okay, now in this step, we can replace this f by 4 to the power u. So I'm getting d of 4 to the power u over du times d of, for u, for this u, we can plug in r tan v over dv times d. Instead of this v, we can plug in 2x to the fifth power over dx. So here I have to find the derivative of this 4 to the power u with respect to u, and I have to find the derivative of r tan v with respect to v, and I have to find the derivative of this 2x to the fifth power with respect to x. Okay, let's continue on the next page. This is the last step we have from the previous page. So we have f prime of x is equal to, okay, so to get the derivative of 4 to the power u with respect to u, we can use the formula given over here. So because 4 to the uth power is in this form a to the x power, so the derivative, if I use this formula to get the derivative of 4 to the power u, I'll be getting 4 to the power u times ln 4. Okay, here we have to get the derivative of r tan v with respect to v. So I can use this formula, that is the derivative of r tan x with respect to x is 1 over 1 positive x square. So if I use a formula to get derivative of this r tan v, I'll be getting 1 over 1 positive v square. Okay, here to get the derivative of 2x to the fifth power, I have to keep the constant 2 as it is, and the derivative of this x to the fifth power is 5x to the fourth power. So f prime of x is equal to, okay, here now u and v, so these variables are introduced by us. So these two variables have to be replaced by the original variable x. So okay, so from the previous page already we know that what is equal to u, that is 4. Instead of u we can write r tan 2 times x to the fifth power times ln 4 times 1 over 1 positive. For v, we know it's 2x to the fifth power whole square. And when I multiply 2 times 5, it will be 10x to the fourth power. So finally, I'm getting f prime of x equals to 4 to the power r tan of 2 times x to the fifth power times ln 4 times, when I multiply this 1 and 10 to the x to power, it will be 10x to the fourth power over 1 positive. If I apply this exponent 2 for this 2 and x to the fifth power, it will be 4x to the 10th power. So now I got the derivative of the given function f prime of x.